So now we'll be discussing about the question number 12. This two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100 term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 term? Okay, two APs are given. Two APs are there, it is not given. The difference is 100. Difference between their 100 term is 100. Now we have to find out what is their 1000, what is the difference between their 1000 term. It's also very easy. First of all, you have to consider one AP. So let's two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100 term is 100. Okay, two APs are there, so you have to consider two separate AP. So let first AP you can take A1, A2, A3. This is the first AP. Up to the nth term it can go, so let's up to the nth term AN. This is the first AP. Now two APs are there, you need the second A1 also. Now the and second AP, suppose it is B1, B2, B3 and Bn. So these are the two APs. Now it is given that the difference between their 100th term is 100. Before that we can take one more thing. This is common difference. It is also not mentioned. We have to use this common difference also. So let D be the common difference. Let D be the common difference. Let D be the common difference. D will be the common difference for both the AP. So you can write of 2 AP. Their common difference will be same, D. And for the first AP, the first term is A1. For the second AP, the first term is B1, and their common difference will be D only. It will remain same for both the AP. Now according to question, these are important things we have to write down because it is not mentioned in the AP, because APs are not mentioned. So you have to write down these things. Now you can come to the question, what is according to question. So according to question, the difference between their 100th term is 100. That means one is A100, because A1, A2, A3 it is going on like A up to AN. So A100, and next one is B100. Their difference, that is why minus, the difference is 100, so it is also 100. You can take this as equation number 1. Difference is 100. Now A100 means what? If AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D, then A100 will be A plus 100 minus 1D. So in place of A100, we'll be writing A plus 100 minus 1D. So this implies A plus 100 minus 1D minus. Now what about the B100? B100 is also same. It is B plus, because it is B1, B2, B3. So B plus 100 minus 1D. D is same for both the APs. 100 minus 1D. Now you have to use bracket here because negative sign is there. It will be different again. So Now let's solve it. This implies a plus 100 minus 199d minus b plus 99d equal to 100. This very easy. Now let's break this bracket also, so that it will be a plus 99d minus b minus 99d equal to 100. Plus 99d minus 99d, this will be cancelled out. Ultimately we will left with a minus b equal to 100. Okay, this is equation number 2. A minus b equal to 100. This is equation number 2. Now, according to the question, next one is the difference between their, we have to find out the difference between their thousands term. So it is a minus b equal to 100. So what we can write now, 8000, we need to find 8000 minus b1000. This we have to find what is their difference. So 8000 we can write here a plus 1000 minus 1d, so ultimately it will be a plus 999d minus b1000. In place of b1000 again we can write minus b plus 999d. Again let's break this bracket, so that it will be a plus 999d minus b minus 999d. It will be a minus b. 999d plus minus, they will be cancelled out, so you will left with a minus b. And already you have got a minus b equal to 100 in equation number 2. So you can write now equal to 100 from equation 2. From equation 2, a minus b is 100, so we have got ultimately a minus b, so a minus b is 100. It is from equation number 2. So this is the answer for question number 12. The difference between their thousand term is 100 also. The difference between their 100 term is also 100, and the difference between their 1000 term is also 100. So this is your number 12. Now this is number 13. It is very important question. This type of question used to come. So the question is, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? You have to find out the AP of those numbers which are divisible by 7. AP of those 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. So 3-digit numbers means just after the 99th 100 comes. So our 3-digit numbers start from 100. So first of all, let's write the 3-digit number. 3-digit numbers. These are our 100, 101, 102. This way it will go up to 999. This. So these are our 3-digit number. Now you have to find out those numbers which are divisible by 7. Not all. Only those numbers, only those 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. And it is very important, you can write down this way. Very important question. Divisible by 7. That means we have to find out the AP of those numbers. So to get this, one very simple trick is there. What you have to do, let's see whether this 100 is divisible by 7 or not. The first thing, 100 by 7. So what you will do, it is 7 1 is 7, 3 0. Now if you take 7 3, it will be 21. If you take 7 4, it will be 28. That means it is not divisible. If you take 7 3, it is 21. If you take 7 4, it is 28. If you take 7 5, it will become 35, but it is 30 only. You need 30 here. 7 how much is 13? 7 nothing is 30, because 7 3 21, 7 4 28, and 7 5 will become 35. That means it is not divisible. This 30 is not divisible by 7. Which number is divisible by 7 then? After 30, which number is divisible by 7? Definitely not 31, not 32, not 33, not 34, but 35. 35 is divisible by 7 after this 30. The next number which is divisible by 7 is 35. To get the 35, what you have to do? It is 5 more than this 30. This 35 is 5 more than this 30. That means we need another 5. So that from here only you can get the first number which is divisible by 7 in this 3 digits number. It is 30. The next number which is divisible by 30 is this 35. This 35 is 5 more than this 30. So the first number which is divisible by 30 will be 100 plus 5. 100 plus 5. That means if you add 5 with your first term 100, first 3 digit number, not term, the first 3 digit number 100, then your AP will be, now AP is 105. That means this is the first number which is divisible by 7. Now as it is divisible by 7, that means the common difference is 7. Now just add 7 7 7, you will get the second, third, fourth, fifth term. So 100 plus 5, 112, 112 plus 5, 119, this. Now you need the last term also. This will continue like this. This is the AP 5 12 19. You need the last term also. Same process, but here you have to subtract it because this is the last term. After that you can't go. So 999, same process, but you will subtract now. First we have added the plus 5. Now we will subtract. Whether it is plus 5, minus 5, 4, what is the number? We don't know. We have to see what is the difference. So let's divide again 999. 999 by the same number 7. 7 1 is 7, 2 9, 29. 7 4 is 28, 1 9. Now you have to decrease the numbers now. That way you have to come. You can't go beyond this 19. This is the difference also. 19, this is the 19. Now what you have to do? You see whether this 19 is divisible by 7 or not. 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21. This is not divisible by our 7. The less number, before that what we got 30, then we have to see whether 31, 32, the next number you have to see. Now you have to decrease the numbers. It is 19. You have to see whether 18 is divisible by 7 or not. Not 19, 19 minus. You have to decrease the numbers now. 18 is divisible by 7 or not. No, it is not divisible. 17 is divisible by 7 or not. It is also not divisible. 16 not divisible, 15 not divisible, 14 divisible. That means if it is 14, then it would be divisible by our 7. So to get the 14, how much we have to subtract? 19 and 14. This is how much? 19 minus 14, 5. That means the difference is minus 5. If it is 14, then it is divisible by 7, and to get this 14 you have to subtract minus 5. You have to subtract 5, not minus 5. You have to subtract 5. Now 999 minus 5. 999 minus 5 is how much? This is definitely 9, 9 and 4. So the last number will be your 9, 9 and 4. The last number will be 9, 9 and 4. So this is the AP. These numbers are divisible by 7. These 3 digit numbers are divisible by 7. So this way we can find out. And this is very, very important. Sometimes it may come like 4 digit. You write 4 digit and try to solve. You take 5 digit and try to solve. This way, maybe this number will be different, but this type of questions are very, very important. So we will try this, and for any problem in this process, how to get the first and the last number and this other terms, if you have any problem, you can ask me again. Thank you.